It's a pleasure to have you join me on this virtual journey. Welcome. Welcome aboard, as we set sail on a journey through Narendra Kumar, physicist. Narendra Kumar, 1 February 1940 – 28 August 2017, was an Indian theoretical physicist and a Homi Bhaba Distinguished Professor of the Department of Atomic Energy at Raman Research Institute. He was also an honorary professor at Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research. Known for his research on disordered systems and superconductivity, Kumar was an elected Fellow of all the three major Indian science academies: Indian Academy of Sciences, Indian National Science Academy, and National Academy of Sciences, India, as well as the American Physical Society and the World Academy of Sciences. The Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, the apex agency of the Government of India for scientific research, awarded him the Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize for Science and Technology, one of the highest Indian science awards, for his contributions to physical sciences in 1985. In 2006, he received the Padma Shri, the fourth highest civilian honour of the Government of India, in the Science and Engineering category. Get ready for an exciting part as we dive into biography. Born on the 1 February 1940 to Labamal Jogatarvati couple in Bilaspur in the Indian state of Chhattisgarh, Narendra Kumar obtained an honours degree in electronics and electrical communication engineering in 1962 from the Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, passing the examination with second rank. He continued at IIT Kharagpur for his master's studies, and before completing Tech with a first rank in 1963, he stood first in India in the All India Electronics Engineering Examination in 1962. After obtaining the master's degree, Kumar started his career in 1963 as a senior scientific officer at Defence Institute of Advanced Technology, then known as Institute of Armament Studies, and served there till his move to National Chemical Laboratory in 1965 as a B-grade scientist. Kumar resumed his studies in 1968 by enrolling for doctoral studies at the Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, and secured a FT under the guidance of Kritinjay Prasad Sinha and Ram Prakash Singh in 1971. After doing his postdoctoral work at the laboratory of Maurice Price of University of British Columbia, he joined Indian Institute of Science as an assistant professor and served the institution for close to quarter of a century, during which period he held the position of a professor from 1975 to 1994. Kumar was appointed as the director of Raman Research Institute (RRI) in 1994, where he served until his superannuation in 2005. Post-retirement, he continued his association with RRI as the Homi Bhaba Distinguished Scientist and DAE Chair Professor. During his career, he has had visiting assignments at various institutions abroad such as University of Liege, University of Warwick, Drexel University 1984, National Autonomous University of Mexico 1985, McGill University 1987 and 1988, and International Center for Theoretical Physics. Kumar was also associated with Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research, a multidisciplinary research institute, where he held an honorary professor position, and with Tata Institute of Fundamental Research as an adjunct professor since 2008. Kumar lived in RMV Extension in Bengaluru in Karnataka. He died on 28 August 2017. As we progress, let's zoom in on legacy and examine its role in shaping our overall narrative. His doctoral studies at IIT Bombay gave Kumar the opportunity to work alongside noted physicists such as Kritinjay Prasad Sinha and Ram Prakash Singh, and during his days at the University of British Columbia, he studied condensed matter physics with Maurice Price. He carried on his work on superconductivity and disordered systems at Indian Institute of Science, and his collaboration with Pedro Pereira and others yielded the Dorokhov-Mello-Pereira-Kumar DMPK equation, a theory on multi-channel conductivity using the principle of maximum entropy, which has since been subjected to studies by several scientists. Besides his work on diffusion in glasses, Kumar has done extensive studies on random dynamical systems, especially on the nature of electron transport. His studies have been documented by way of a number of articles, and the article repository of Indian Academy of Sciences has listed 167 of them. Kumar has published 4 books: Interaction Magnetically Ordered Solids, co-authored with his mentor, Krityanjay Prasad Sinha, Invitation to Contemporary Physics, Deterministic Chaos, Complex Chance Out of Simple Necessity and Quantum Transport in Mesoscopic Systems, Complexity and Statistical Fluctuations, which is a monograph in the field of mesoscopic physics. He had also guided 12 doctoral students in their doctoral studies. Kumar had been connected with the International Center for Theoretical Physics (ICTP) since 1970, serving as an associate or senior associate until 1992 and as a staff associate from 1993 to 2010. He was a former member of the editorial board of Journal of Physics, Condensed Matter and various committees of the World Academy of Sciences. Kumar had been involved with the committees for the review of research institutions, which included Tata Institute of Fundamental Research and Physical Research Laboratory, and has been the chairman of the Committee of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research for selecting Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize winners. He also served as the president of the Indian Academy of Sciences during. Now, let's shift our perspective and explore awards and honors through a fresh lens, unlocking new perspectives. The Council of Scientific and Industrial Research awarded Kumar the Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize, one of the highest Indian science awards, in 1985. He received the TWAS Prize in 1992, and the Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, chose him for its Distinguished Alumnus Award in 1996. A year after receiving the Mahendralal Sarkar Prize in 1997, Kumar was selected for the Goyal Award of Kurukshetra University in 1998, followed by the FICCI Award of the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry in 1999. The Indian Science Congress Association awarded him the Celsius V. Raman Birth Centenary Award in 2000, the same year as Kumar received the Meghnad Saha Medal of the Indian National Science Academy. The year 2006 brought him 3 major awards: the Padma Shri, the 4th highest Indian civilian honour, the R.D. Birla Award of the Indian Physics Association, and the Distinguished Materials Scientist Award of the Materials Research Society of India. The Indian Academy of Sciences elected Kumar as their fellow in 1985, and Kumar was elected as a fellow by the Indian National Science Academy in 1987. He received elected fellowships of 2 science organizations in 1994, the National Academy of Sciences, India, and the American Physical Society. Kumar became a Fellow of the World Academy of Sciences the next year. The award orations delivered by him include the Jawaharlal Nehru Birth Centenary Lecture 1996 and the Jagadish Chandra Bose Lecture 2008 of the Indian National Science Academy. I hope you learned something new today. Let me know what you found most interesting in the comments below.